A lot of the technology and experiences that both our stylists and customers use are built in-house by our tech team. APIs play a major role in that. We have two APIs, one for the more internal sales side of things and one for the customer-facing side of things. We have a Ruby backend microservice architecture, and the APIs make it really easy for us to work with these microservices. Because Apiary is a collaboration tool and focuses on the phase before the development, it can save a lot of time, and it also has cool features like mock server, which makes it even easier. The thing with Apiary is that as backend engineers and front-end engineers collaborate and agree upon the spec of the API, at that point you can trust that that's going to be the way it's going to work. So if your architecture supports for it, you can have the front-end developer and the back-end developer work in parallel without having to be blocked on each other. If you have the architecture, then you can also make the front-end hit the mock server without waiting for the back-end and just make it plug and play at the end. And this saves a lot of time because without that aspect, there's going to be a lot of back and forth or even rework later. Or if you're like any of the companies these days, you have 3 different platforms like web, iOS, and Android. You may not release all the features at the same time. So having API really makes it easier for people to collaborate together early on, and even when they come back and work on features later, it's already available. Developers traditionally, when thinking about API, doesn't give the same type of respect and effort as we give our customers. But at the end of the day, it's going to be us, the developers, that's going to be using these API endpoints that we create. So by investing in them and by treating us like the first-class citizen and giving it the same amount of effort and passion as we put in for our customers really helps us to make a better product, because at the end of the day, we're going to be the ones using these API endpoints.